Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett, the Love Encore Delivery Specialist for Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm back again today with another tech tip for you. Today I want to talk about a hidden feature that involves your key fob, and this is only if you have a remote start that has been installed by Subaru inside your car. I've had many people contact me about remote starts, talking about, can I remote start my car with just the key fob without having a remote start put in the car? No, you can't do that. You've got to have the remote start put in, because they were asking, can I reprogram the car to do it? Well, no, you can't reprogram something that's not there. You have to have a remote start module installed into the car to be able to do this, okay? So, with the key fob here, I can actually remote start this Forester that is right here in front of me. So what I want to do is the lock button, I want to push it 2 times and then hold it, and it will remote start that car. So watch. Here we go. 1, 2, hold. I don't know if you heard on the video, but that car just started up. Now, if I want to turn the car off, again, key fob, all I got to do is hold down the lock button. So I'm going to hold it down, and the car just now shut off. Now, one thing you should know about it with the key fob, I mean, yep, I can do that. I can remote start it just like I did, but what you sacrifice with this is you're going to sacrifice some range, okay? It does not have the range that the little guy here does, all right? But there you go. There's a little tip for remote start. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you know when I'm posting new content. Would really appreciate it if you could subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. Now, as always, if you have a question about your Subaru, maybe there's something you're wondering about, put a comment in the comment section down below this video, and who knows, I might make a video about it and answer your question. So thanks so much, and I'll catch you next time.